So let us look at specific heat at constant pressure. इस process को we also call it CP. So यहाँ पे we have a gas and there is a piston that is attached to the gas. The external pressure on the gas is constant. So gas का भी जो pressure होगा वो constant होगा. Gas expands slowly. It's a slow expansion. What we will do is we will supply heat to this gas, delta Q, and the gas will do a work delta W, and the internal energy change of the gas will be delta U. So from the first law of thermodynamics we can write down this equation that change in internal energy is heat supplied minus work done by the gas. First law of thermodynamics, change in internal energy. Yes. So this means delta Q equals delta U plus delta W. Okay. So what you have to remember is specific heat specific heat talks about heat and change in temperature. The basic idea is the following: when you provide heat to this particular gas and it is undergoing this particular process of isobaric process, the gas is undergoing isobaric process, there will be a change in temperature of this gas and the change in temperature will be proportional to heat supplied. The basic idea. So there will be a formula like this: NCP delta T. Cp is the constant of proportionality, NCP. So now let us plug this formula. So what is delta U? Delta U is the change in internal energy. Don't get confused. Even though it is a constant pressure process, I can use this formula, right? NCV delta T. Because the change in internal energy only depends on the change in temperature. If I am claiming the change in temperature, suppose in this particular gas the change in temperature is given by delta T, the change in internal energy is NCV delta T. Doesn't matter whether the gas is what process the gas is taking. All that matters is the change in temperature is delta T plus work done. The pressure of the gas is constant P naught times change in volume. Yes. So from this we have this formula: delta Q equals NCV delta T, constant pressure. So can I write it as NR delta T, since PV equal to nRT? Yeah, P naught P. So if I take delta on both sides, we can say NR delta T. Makes sense? So from this we have this formula that delta Q equals N CV plus R delta T. Let us compare it with this formula for Cp, this label NCP. So by comparing these two formulas, we can see that Cp equals Cv plus R, and this implies Cp minus Cv is R, or Cp is Cv plus R. Yes. So we already know what Cv is for different gases, monoatomic, diatomic. What is it? What is Cv? Cv का formula क्या है? Fr by 2. So therefore Cp is Fr by 2 plus R. R into 1 plus F by 2. This is the formula for Cp. Cp tells you the heat required to change the temperature of 1 mole of a gas by 1 degree Celsius when the gas undergoes an isobaric process. In an isobaric process, what is the ratio of heat supplied per unit mole per unit rise in temperature.